How to fix not registered on network on Samsung phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix not registered on network on Samsung phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to restart your phone. So here, simply press and hold on the power button, and after that you can simply tap on reboot, and after that you can simply tap on reboot again, and after that you can simply wait for the reboot, and this will refresh the mobile network modules. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to turn airplane mode on and off. So here pull down quick panel, and here you simply have to tap on airplane mode on, and after that you simply have to wait for 10 seconds and you can simply turn it off again, and this will force the device to reconnect to the cell tower. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to remove and reinsert the SIM card. So here you can simply power off the phone, and after that you can simply remove the SIM tray and clean and reinsert SIM properly, and after that you can simply turn phone back on. And here if the SIM is damaged, you can try another SIM card as well. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to select the network manually. So here simply open settings, and now here once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down, and there you simply have to tap on SIM cards and mobile networks. And now here in this section you simply have to scroll down, and there you simply have to tap on advanced settings. And now here, once you are inside the advanced settings, you simply have to tap on your mobile network diagnosis, and there you simply have to change your default SIM carrier. So here either you can choose the SIM 1 slots or the SIM 2 slots. And with that, if it shows an error, you can continue to the next step, that is to enable correct network mode. So there you can simply go to the connection, and now here once you are inside the connection, then you can simply scroll down, and there you can simply search for the network mode, or you can either tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for network mode, and here you simply have to tap on it. And now here once you're inside the network type or mode, there you can choose 5G, 4G, 3G or 2G, the option which is best for your mobile. And there, if it's still not showing you a network, then you can switch it to the auto mode as well. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to check for software update. So here simply go to the settings, and once inside the settings, just tap on about phone, and now here in this section you can simply check for any software update, or either you can simply go back and tap on system app updater, and there you can check for any software update. If you found any update, you can simply tap download and install, and carrier updates often fixes the network issue. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.